Hi, everybody. I'm Anna.
Hello everyone, I'm Surbhi and we are back here with your favorite event, Future Data Driven Summit 2023.
Hi, I'm Ed Pollock, and I wanted to invite you to join me at Future Data Driven Summit
Hello
2023.
everyone, this is Said Hassani and I'm excited to invite you to join the upcoming Future Data Driven
Hi,
Conference.
folks. My name is Paresh Motiwala, and I'm happy to announce that September 27th is the Future Data Driven Summit.
As organisers, we are putting a lot of focus on bringing great topics around data science and AI, data management, cloud and hybrid architecture, data visualization, and business intelligence. You might remember the event was a huge success last year in 2022 with great topics, 30 speakers, and 30 plus sessions. Please mark your calendar, Future Data Driven Summit.
September 27, 2023.
This is a fantastic opportunity to learn from industry experts, network with peers, and build connections. Register now and mark your calendar for this great event.
Registration is open, so sign up and join us for the great event by amazing speakers.
Bye.
Bye.